Yeah, I welcome you to Chipotle Electrical Solutions. This is our second and final segment of the incubator, which is under repair. So, with me here, I will have to check my output. So, I have to put on AC output here. If you look at the back of this unit, we take on extraction because our issue was all about extraction failing to give output or no extraction. So, there was no output. So the issue is now for us to raise the temperatures and make sure that the unit is able to extract as it should be. So that's the connections. This is my output common and this is my extraction output. So I will check the output if there is anything on the voltmeter. So let's all have a check as to if there is any output. That's the unit. So now let's switch it on. Yes. Then on this unit now, I'm now supposed to raise the temperature. That's our temperature rising steadily. We want to check if there is extraction. In the meantime, for the meantime, we're having no output on extraction, but the relay was kicking. So we just want to see if there is output on the unit. Entry, if there is output, then we'll be able to call it a successful repair. Check on our heater 2, off, heater 1 off, fan, and to check on our output. There is no output again. So if there is no output, it means there is a break somewhere. There is a break somewhere. So we needed to look into that. I thank you.